Did you know that this tranquil monument has stood the test of time for over 2000 years? Welcome to Sanchi Stoop, a masterpiece of Buddhist art and architecture located in Madhya Pradesh, India. Recognized as one of the oldest stone structures in India, it serves as a timeless symbol of peace and spiritual enlightenment. Historical background. Commissioned by Emperor Ashoka in 3rd century BCE, the Sanchi Stoop was built to enshrine the sacred relics of Buddha. It soon became a major pilgrimage site for Buddhists and a center of learning and meditation. Basically, according to Buddhist belief, after the Buddha's cremation in Kushinagar, his relics were divided into 8 parts and distributed to different places where stupas were built over them. Emperor Ashoka later unearthed 7 of these stupas and redistributed the relics across his empire. Located near Bhopal, the city of Madhya Pradesh, the sea monument has witnessed the rise and fall of empires, serving as a beacon of Buddhist philosophy. Highlights and Satvahana contributions. At first glance, the main structure, or Anda, resembles a simple dome, but this hemispherical mound represents much more. It symbolizes the universe itself, with the relics of Buddha enshrined at its core. The square railing at the top, called the Harmika, represents the world mountain, while the three-tiered umbrella-like structure, the Chhatra, symbolizes the 3 jewels of Buddhism, Buddha, Dharma and Sangha. Surrounding the stupa are 4 ornate gateways or torans facing the cardinal directions. These gateways are adorned with intricate carvings depicting over various events from Buddha's life in the Jataka tales, stories of his previous lives. Much of this intricate work was contributed by the Satavahanas, who ruled after the Mauryas. They expanded and enlarged the Sanchi Stupa complex during the 1st century BCE, adding the magnificent torans and balustrades which we see today. Art and symbolism. The detailed carvings on the torans reveal the artistry and devotion of the craftsman. Look closer, and you will see symbols like the wheel representing the cycle of life and the lotus symbolizing purity. Interestingly, early Buddhist art did not depict Buddha in human form. Instead, he was represented through symbols like the Bodhi tree, the wheel of Dharma, or an empty throne, signifying his spiritual presence. Significance and legacy. Today, the Sanchi Stoop is more than just a monument. It is a UNESCO World Heritage Site, attracting visitors from all over the world. It stands as a testament to the enduring legacy of Buddhism and its message of peace and compassion.